Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your GK sample paper with solutions.
Hello kids, let us solve GK Class 1 Sample Paper 2. So, question 1. A girl looks up and notices something floating in white during the day. What is it? Star, moon, cloud, or rainbow? So children, star and moon, do you see that in the day? No, we see that at the night. And rainbow? No, rainbow you can see only when it rains and when it rains. So, what do you see during the day that is white and that floats? So, it's a cloud. So, the correct option is option C, cloud. Question 2. What covers most of the Earth's surface? Ocean, sky, rock, or air? So the correct option is option A, ocean. 3/4 part of the Earth's surface is covered by water, by ocean. Question 3. Birds fly in the part of the earth above us. Name it: river, land, sky, or forest. So, kids, where do you see the birds flying? In the sky. So, the correct option would be option C, sky. Question 4. Rocks, rivers, and mountains belong to which part of nature? Earth, moon, cloud, or sun? So we find all of these on our planet Earth. So the correct option is option A, Earth. Question 5. At dawn, the sun rises in the... Yes, children, the sun rises in the east. So the correct option would be option C, east. Question 6. A boy is asked to tell about himself in school. What does he share? Name, age, both A and B, only hobby. So, if a child is asked to introduce himself, then what would he say? He would tell his name and his age both. So, the correct option is going to be option C, both A and B. Question 7. What part of the body allows us to taste food? Tongue, nose, hands, or teeth? So, children, nose, it helps you to smell. Hands, they help you to feel. And teeth, they help you to bite the food. So, which body part allows you to taste? That's the tongue. So, the correct option is option A, tongue. Question 8. When we sneeze, what should we use to cover our mouth? Tissue, soap, comb, or brush? So the correct option is option A. Tissue. We should cover our mouth with tissue when we sneeze. Question 9. The place where we live is called what? School, home, playground, or market? All of us know the place we live is our home, sweet home. So the correct answer is option B, home. Question 10. The organ that pumps blood to all parts of the body is called stomach, lungs, heart, or liver. So it is the heart. So the correct option is option C, heart. Heart pumps blood to all the parts of our body. Question 11. A person who flies airplanes is called what? Driver, captain, pilot, or doctor? So, he's a pilot. So the correct option is option C, pilot. Pilot flies airplanes. Question 12. Words used to ask for help politely are excuse me, please help, sorry, or thank you. So if you want to ask for help, you'll say, can you please help me? So the correct option would be option B, please help. Question 13. A girl uses a racket and shuttlecock while playing. What is the game? Tennis, cricket, badminton, or football. So, what do you think this girl is playing? Yes, she is playing badminton. So, the correct option is option C, badminton. It is played with a racket and a shuttlecock. Question 14. A person who teaches students in a classroom is called doctor, teacher, pilot, or nurse. So, the person who teaches in the classroom is a teacher. The correct option would be option B, teacher. Question 15. We say this word to apologize when we make a mistake. What is it? Thank you, sorry, please, or welcome. So when we make a mistake, we say sorry. So the correct option is option B. Sorry is used to apologize to someone. Question 16. Families often have dinner together. What does this activity promote? Happiness, love, togetherness, all of these. So, when the families have dinner together, then it promotes all of this. It promotes happiness, it promotes love, and it promotes togetherness. So, the correct option is option D, all of these. Question 17. The children of your parents are known as cousins, friends, siblings, neighbors. So the children of your parents means your brothers or sisters. So those are your siblings. So the correct option is option C, siblings. Question 18. A family switches off lights when not in use. What does this practice save? Time, energy, money, or water? So it saves a lot of energy. So the correct option is option B, energy. Question 19. Grandparents often share stories of their childhood. What does this teach us? Culture, discipline, history, or fun? So, it teaches us about the history. So, the correct answer would be option C, history. Question 20. The food that gives us energy is called fruits, balanced diet, chips, or burger. So, children, if we have a balanced diet, that means that we have all the nutrients in our food in the correct amount. It is called a balanced diet. So, if we have a balanced diet, then it gives us energy. So, we'll tick the option B, balanced diet. Question 21. What happens when people throw garbage into dustbins? Cleanliness, dirtiness, diseases, or pollution. So, if people throw garbage in the dustbin, then there would be cleanliness. That is option A. Question 22. A neighbor brings food for a sick person. What quality does this show? Kindness, carelessness, anger, or laziness. So this shows option A, kindness, the quality of kindness. Question 23. Policemen help people by maintaining what? Peace, confusion, dirtiness, or fear. So, policemen, they maintain peace. So, the correct option is option A, peace. Question 24. Vegetables and fruits are bought from toy shop, grocery shop, pharmacy, or stationery shop. So you buy fruits and vegetables from the grocery shop. So the correct option is option B, grocery shop. Question 25. Why do people plant trees in parks? For shade, for beauty, for oxygen, all of these. So the correct option should be all of these. You plant trees in the parks for shade, yes. For beauty, of course, the park looks more beautiful. For oxygen, yes. So the correct option is option D, all of these. Question 26. What happens during a thunderstorm? Loud sounds, heavy snowfall, sunny skies, or clear weather. So during a thunderstorm, you hear loud sounds. So the correct option is option A, loud sounds. Question 27. A weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow. What should people carry? Umbrella, sunglasses, sweater, or hat? So children, if it's going to rain, you're going to carry your umbrellas. So the correct option would be option A, umbrella. Question 28. What clothes do people wear during summer? Woolen clothes, light cotton clothes, raincoats, or jackets. So woolen clothes you wear in winter, raincoats you wear in rainy season, and jackets also you wear in winter season. So what do you wear in summer? We wear light cotton clothes. Can you see the kids? They are wearing light cotton clothes. So the correct option is option B, light cotton clothes. Question 29. Vehicles that fly in the sky are called bicycles, trains, boats, or airplanes. Yes, option D. Airplanes fly in the sky. Question 30. Why do people wear seat belts in cars? For fun, for safety, for style, to sleep. So, what should be the answer? Option B. People wear seat belts in car for safety. Question 31. What animal has a hard shell and moves slowly? Rabbit, turtle, frog, or lizard? So everybody knows a turtle, it has a hard shell and it moves so slowly. So the correct option is option B, turtle. Question 32. A small animal with soft fur and a bushy tail is often found in trees. What animal is it? Squirrel, fox, rabbit, or deer? So, what do you think should be the correct option? It's a squirrel. So, the correct option is option A, squirrel. It has soft fur and a bushy tail. Question 33. Which animal is known for its ability to fly and build nest? Ostrich, parrot, sparrow, or owl? Yes, so what should be the correct answer for this? It is option C, sparrow. The sparrow can fly and it builds its nest. Question 34. Which of these animals is nocturnal and has big eyes? Owl, bat, fox, or lion? So, children, you know, owl is a nocturnal animal and it has such big eyes. So, the correct option is option A, owl. Question 35. What is the name of the animal that carries its baby in a pouch? Kangaroo, elephant, tiger, or giraffe? So the correct option is option A, kangaroo. A kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch. Question 36. What do we call a vegetable that is green and has leaves like lettuce? Cabbage, broccoli, spinach, or carrot? So the correct option is option A, cabbage. Question 37. Which vegetable is known for having a sweet taste and is commonly eaten as a snack or in salads? Cucumber, carrot, potato, or cabbage? So it is option B, carrot. It has sweet taste and it can be eaten as a snack or in salads. Question 38. What vegetable is often used in soups and has layers you can peel? Potato, onion, carrot, or cabbage? So the correct option is option B, onion. It can be used in soups and you can peel its layers. Question 39. What vegetable is green and has a crown like appearance? Broccoli, spinach, lettuce, or potato? So, children, it is a broccoli. So, the correct option is option A, broccoli. Question 40. A chef is preparing a salad and needs a vegetable that has a crunchy texture and is green. What should he choose? Carrot, cucumber, tomato, or broccoli? Yes. So he should choose a cucumber. Option B. Cucumber. So, children, that's it for today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.